Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Fluent Mind Language War podcast. I'm so happy to see you again. Today's episode is about something simple but powerful, your morning routine.
Hi, I'm excited for this one. My mornings are always busy, and I never know how to describe them in English.
Perfect. After today, you'll be able to talk about your morning easily. We'll learn new phrases, practice sentences, and even build a short story about your day.
That sounds great. Let's start from when I wake up.
Sure. The first thing most people say is, I wake up at, for example, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Okay, I wake up at 7 too, but sometimes I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Haha.
That's very common. You can say, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:10. That's an easy way to describe real life.
Oh, nice. So wake up means open your eyes, and get up means stand up.
Exactly. Wake up happens in bed. Get up means start your day.
Got it. After I get up, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Perfect! These actions are always in present simple tense because they happen every day. You can also add, I take a shower, I comb my hair, or I make my bed.
Right, and after that, I usually drink water or coffee.
Good! You can say, I drink a glass of water, or I have a cup of coffee. The word have works for food and drinks. I have breakfast. I have tea.
So, I have breakfast at 8.
Exactly! What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread, eggs, and sometimes fruit.
Nice and healthy. So you can say, I eat eggs and fruit for breakfast. Or, I usually eat bread and drink milk.
Okay, let me try to make my full morning routine. I wake up at 7. I get up and brush my teeth. I take a shower, eat breakfast, and go to school at 8.
That's wonderful! Clear, simple, and perfect for beginners.
Thanks. But what if I want to say what my mom does in the morning?
Good question. When you talk about he or she, remember to add S to the verb. She wakes up early. He drinks coffee. She eats breakfast.
Ah, yes. I wake up, but she wakes up.
Exactly. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. Pause. She wakes up at 6. Pause. I drink coffee. Pause. He drinks tea. Pause.
This is fun. It helps me remember the rules.
Great. Let's make it more natural now. I'll ask you some questions and you answer. Ready?
Ready.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Perfect! That's a natural, short conversation you can use with anyone.
I feel like I can really talk about my mornings now.
Yes, and if you want to sound even better, try using a few time words like then, after that, usually, and sometimes.
Okay, let me try again using those words. I usually wake up at 7. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast and sometimes read the news.
Wow, that sounds very natural. You used the connectors perfectly.
Thanks. It feels like a real story now.
Exactly. That's how you build longer English sentences step by step.
So, my full morning story would be something like, I usually wake up at 7. I get up, make my bed, and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower and get dressed. I eat breakfast with my family and leave home at 8.
Perfect, Mark. And listeners, you can do the same. Write your own morning routine. Read it aloud and record it. That's how your pronunciation and confidence grow.
I'll definitely try that. Maybe I'll send it to my English group later.
Good idea. And here's one small tip. Try using your morning routine to warm up your English. When you brush your teeth, say, I brush my teeth. When you eat breakfast, say, I'm eating breakfast. Turn your morning into practice time.
Haha, that's a cool trick. I'll talk to myself in English every morning now.
That's the secret to fluency. Small steps every day.
I love it.
All right, everyone, let's do one quick shadow practice before we end. Repeat with me. I wake up at 7. Pause. I brush my teeth. Pause. I take a shower. Pause. I eat breakfast. Pause. I go to school. Pause. I feel ready for the day. Pause.
That was great. I feel like I'm living my morning again.
That's the power of speaking English with real life. What's next, Anna? Next, we'll talk about your night routine, what you do before bed.
Awesome. I can't wait.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to the Fluent Mind Language War podcast. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and make English part of your morning.
Don't forget to follow, like, and share this episode.
See you next time, and have a wonderful morning.